Beside mom. There you go. Okay.
Switch.
Okay, sige.
Switch.
Hello, guys!
Say hi, everybody!
Hi, everybody!
We miss you guys! Ito naman, kakain na naman kami ng magmukbang na naman kami sa mga bata. Our food for today is fried fish tilapia. Meron tayo.
I'm hungry.
Yes, I know, are you hungry? And we have a tomato, pickled tomato, at we have a chicken nugget for kids, a chicken popcorn, at saka cauliflower and broccoli fried rice with bacon and sauce.
I want broccoli.
Oh, sige, let's dig in na.
Yeah, dig in.
Dig in. Here's your broccoli. Baby, you want broccoli?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Use our hands. Our hands is already clean, guys. And this is our sauce, so we want to try the sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, wala si Scott, guys, because Scott is on diet. Okay na, guys, let's dig in. This is the rice for Filipino. For sa food.
Now I want broccoli.
More broccoli. Good job, Miss Zoe. Wow, so we like broccoli, guys. How about you, John?
Yes.
Yes. Okay,
I
John.
want more bacon.
Can you use your hands, John? This is a Filipino mukbang. Filipino style. Kinamay. Use hand.
Mom.
Let's go, John.
I need more sauce.
You need more sauce. Goody, goody.
I need more rice.
Okay, John. That's nice, John. Oh, that's unique. Sauce and
Yeah.
broccoli. That's unique. So guys, kain tayo mga amiga, amigo, kababayan, all around abroad. Pansakan muna natin yung baba natin kay ano na gutom. What time is it now? Oh, 11:52 guys.
Mommy?
Almost 12.
Mommy, is that for me?
That's for you, baby. Yummy. Look at Zoe, guys. She likes vegetable. Wow, I'm surprised this girl eating vegetable. She really likes her favorite. What is your favorite vegetable, Zoe?
Broccoli.
Yeah, she likes broccoli, guys. How about you, John? John,
Corn.
your shrimp? Popcorn shrimp, I mean.
I like corn.
Mommy,
I don't even know that's a
broccoli
vegetable.
so good. I just like more.
Oh, wow. You need more. You have more.
Ooh.
You want to try a fish?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
Oh, thank you. This is our fish, guys. Oh, fried fish tilapia. Mainit pa, guys. Oh, wow. Really, really good. How about
Wait,
you,
you
John?
can eat the head?
Yeah.
I never knew that.
You want to try, John? Just make sure there's no... There's a meat. Takot kasi si John mabuko, guys. John is scared of bones. But you can
No,
feel...
I'm not. I'm not scared
Okay.
of them.
Yummy, guys. And you want to try the sausawan, John? Then the tomato? It's really good.
Mommy.
Wow. Your chicken nuggets na. Oh, broccoli? What are you doing? Want more broccoli? How about your rice away? Just a specific vegetable, guys. Broccoli.
Look at this.
Wow. Really good, John.
What?
Talk to them, Zoe. They make you,
Okay.
you know. Zoe is going to school in a couple weeks, guys. And
Yeah.
John. Really good, John. With more fish, John? The fish is really good, guys. Bukog. Laki ng bukog.
This is good.
I know. How about rice? You want to try the rice? Oh, you need more sauce?
Yeah.
Diyan, can you get a paper towel dyan? Please. Oh. Mm. Mm. Really good.
Mom,
Mm.
can I cut off the chicken?
Okay. She likes broccoli the best. Mm.
Ooh, what's this?
That's broccoli. Yeah.
No, I'm talking about the fruit on the box.
It's a cauliflower. Mm.
I don't want to try it.
Okay. What about the
Mom,
shrimp?
I want more sauce.
You want more sauce? Good na. Yummy. Mm.
Mom, I have a question.
What?
Why are the tomatoes not red?
Because I remember I told Grandma, can I have your tomato? Because my mother-in-law, guys, she has a garden.
yeah, I forgot. I thought you bought them from
And
the
I asked
store.
her if I can have her tomato, half ripe and half raw, green, because it's crunchy if you make a pickle. It's really good if tomato is not ripe. Sorry. You finished now?
No.
That's it. Okay. We need to enjoy our food. Mm. I forgot my sausawan, guys.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
I can't reach the broccoli.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Jordan, come here.
Oh, Mom, I don't want to eat that.
Okay. Can I take off the yellow?
Yes.
She doesn't like that. Yellow pepper.
Here, Georgia.
Can we show Georgia to them?
No, they
Yeah.
don't need.
Aww.
You can show to them, but not sitting down here. We have a cutie pie dog, guys.
If you haven't seen them yet,
His name
Go
is Georgia.
go check out our Facebook. It's Lizzie Wonder. Something like that.
Mom, can I have
It has a lot of videos of us. If you're wondering, like, I want them to upload and stuff, go check our
I'm
Facebook.
so excited.
How about cauliflower?
In our live stream, we said it.
Mm. I need this cauliflower with my fish. I need good, yeah. Stop down.
Macaroni. Cheese macaroni.
Oh, here's Georgia. Georgia, come here.
How much you want?
Show Georgia, guys. Georgia. This is Georgia.
This is Georgia, guys. Georgia's so cute, Doggy. It's our pet. Hey, hi, Georgia.
It's a chihuahua.
Yeah, he is. His name is Georgia.
Her name is Georgia. She's a girl.
Yes. So somebody take Kirby today.
It's today. Are you sure?
Mom, can I have more broccoli?
More broccoli here. There's broccoli.
I gotta wash my hands now that I've touched
This
the
is,
dog.
you know, the white is cauliflower.
I don't want all the food on the broccoli.
Yeah. Maybe I need to give you more broccoli.
Mom, can I try the fish?
Okay. Okay, come here. You want to try the fish? Yes, yeah. Make sure the fish is not bony because not.
Mom,
Oh,
is the fish good?
yeah, it's really good, the fish. Wait a minute. Make sure the fish is not bones. Oh, okay.
So hot.
Sorry. It's more broccoli. Oh.
It's hard. It's so hot to eat. Mommy,
Mm.
look. What's that black ones on there?
More broccoli.
Mommy, what's that black one on there?
It's a fish skin.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mom, can I eat the fish skin?
Sure. Good?
Mm-hmm. And she's like chicken.
Oh, wow. The fish is tastes like chicken. Is that an interesting, guys? The fish tastes like chicken. How about you, John? How are you, John? Good. You try the fish, John? This is a big fish, guys. Oh, big tilapia from the
It has eyes.
backyard.
It has
From the
eyes.
backyard, joke lang, guys. Binili namin ito sa Walmart. Yan. Tapos we use our banana leaves, guys, from the backyard. Yan, laki ng ano, oh. Laki ng isda.
Yeah, we
Ano,
make
guys?
bananas.
I have lots of bananas. Mm. Yeah. Swallow that one. It's a broccoli. It's a broccoli. I'll take it to me for that
I thought that's yellow.
It's a vegetable because you know I mix vegetable.
That's
So cauliflower, yellow bell pepper, bacon. Mmm. Yummy.
I have 2 phones.
You want to try the tomato? How's your broccoli, sorry?
Good.
Good. Dr. Jones, I miss you guys.
I don't want to.
There.
I want to eat.
I didn't want to. I want to eat, guys. We're very hungry, guys, because we are not eating breakfast, right? We're just have a drink.
I'm full.
You're full now? Yum yum. Dr. Dinja, what are you doing this vacation?
Just sitting down and playing games.
You're playing baseball, am I right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's always say.
No.
Okay.
Alright guys, that is it for the video. Make sure to
Bye.
and like. And also make sure to follow Mom
We love
on
you.
Facebook. Her name is Lizzie Wonder.
Okay, bye-bye, guys. Okay, guys, that's it. Our mukbang video today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So we say bye-bye. But the dog is not agreeing our bye-bye, guys. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.